Hello students, we will talk about antiamoebic and anthelmintic drugs. Amoebiasis is a protozoal disease caused by infection of Entamoeba histolytica. The symptoms are dysentery, anorexia and abdominal pain. So the drugs which are used in the treatment of amoebiasis are known as antiamoebic drugs. We'll see the classification of antiamoebic drugs. First one is the drugs used in intestinal amoebiasis. So the drugs are diloxanide furoate, iodochlorhydroxyquine and diiodohydroxyquine. Then the drugs which are used in extraintestinal amoebiasis, iodochlorhydroxyquine, and the one which are used in both intestinal and extraintestinal amoebiasis, we have metronidazole and tinidazole. So the drugs ending with azole. Now what is the mechanism of action? They act by rupturing the nuclei of the microorganism and also by causing inhibition of DNA synthesis. Amitin hydrochloride, this is the alkaloid obtained from plant Ipecacuanha. It can be synthesized from naturally occurring cephalins by methylation. Physical properties: available as white crystalline powder with bitter taste, soluble freely in alcohol and water. Chemical properties: it acts as a diacidic base due to the presence of nitrogen, and amitin hydrochloride in presence of H2SO produces intense green color with molybdic acid. Stability: it becomes yellow on exposure to air. Stored in a well closed light resistant container and used in the treatment of amoebic dysentery and hepatic. Metronidazole, as you can see the structure, this is imidazoline ring, and on second you have a methyl nitro group, and fifth you have a nitro group. On nitrogen you have CH2CH2OH, so it is 2-methyl 5-nitro imidazole 1 vial ethanol. And this is pale yellow, white yellow crystalline powder with a bitter taste, soluble sparingly in water, slightly in organic solvent. Melting point is 160. Chemical properties: the nitro group can be diazotized and coupled with beta naphthol. It will give orange red dye. This is stability: it turns dark on exposure to light, hence it has to be stored in a well closed container. Uses of metronidazole: amoebic dysentery, trichomoniasis of genitourinary tract and giardiasis. Formulation: available as tablets, suspension and see the structure. This is 4-N-methyl 2,2-dichloroacetamidophenyl 2-furoate. So this is a white crystalline powder, and if you see the solubility, this is sparingly soluble in water, soluble in alcohol and organic solvent. Diloxanide furoate, is melting point is 115, and this is stable at room temperature. So it can be stored in the well closed container. This is again used in the treatment of intestinal amoebiasis and hepatic amoebiasis. Now we'll talk about diiodohydroxyquine, or it is iodoquinol. The chemical name, you can see the structure: 5,7-diiodo 8-hydroxyquinoline. So the basic ring is quinoline, and we have on 5th and 7th we have an iodine, and 8th position we have OH. So the other name for diiodohydroxyquine is iodoquinol. This is yellowish white powder, insoluble in water and sparingly soluble in alcohol and acetone. Chemical properties: on heating in presence of H2SO4, it gives violet color vapors of iodine. This is stable at room temperature, so it can be stored in the well closed container. This is used to treat amoebiasis. And we'll talk about paromomycin. This is obtained from the strains of Streptomyces. This is available as white or creamy white hygroscopic powder with a salty taste. This is freely soluble in water and acids, insoluble in alcohol and organic solvents. This is unstable to atmospheric air, hence it has to be stored in a well-closed, airtight container. This is used in amoebic dysentery, giardiasis, trichomoniasis of genitourinary tract, and the formulation is paromomycin capsule and the syrup. Let us talk about some anthelmintic drugs. Anthelmintics are the drugs which are used in the treatment of worm infestations. It can be roundworm, pinworm, hookworm, or giardia. So let us talk about the first drug, that is piperazine citrate. You can see the structure. This is tripiperazine 2-hydroxypropane 1,2,3 carboxylate. This is available as hygroscopic crystalline powder. This is freely soluble in water. Melting point is 106. This is unstable at room temperature as it absorbs water from air, so it has to be stored in a well-closed, tight-resistant container. Piperazine is indicated as alternative treatment for ascariasis caused by Ascaris lumbricoides, that is a roundworm, and enterobiasis caused by Enterobius vermicularis, that is also called as pinworm. Formulation, it is piperazine tablet elixir. Let us talk about mebendazole. Now this is available as brand name Mebex. As you can see the structure, we have a benzimidazole ring, and to that on the 5th position you have a benzoyl moiety attached to this. So we have the chemical name of mebendazole as methyl 5-benzoyl benzimidazole 2-vial carbamate. Physical properties, this is a white amorphous powder, insoluble in water. Melting point is 290 degree. And chemical properties, alkaline solution gives yellow color with dinitrobenzene solution. This is a medication used to treat a number of parasitic worm infestations that include ascariasis, pinworm disease, hookworm infections, guinea worm infections, and giardia. The formulation, this is available as mebendazole tablet and suspension. Diethyl carbamazine citrate. Now if you compare the structure with the piperazine, you have on first nitrogen you have CON ethyl twice, and on 4th nitrogen you have a methyl substitution. So this is NN-diethyl 4-methyl piperazine 1 carboxamide. The brand name is Binoside. Now this is available as white crystalline powder, soluble in water. Melting point is 138. This is stable at room temperature, so it can be stored in a well-closed container. If you see the uses of diethyl carbamazine, which is also known as DEC, this is categorized as anthelmintic, particularly anti-filarial agent. So this is used to treat filariasis, particularly when it is due to Wuchereria bancrofti or Loa Loa. It has also been used in the treatment of tropical eosinophilia. Formulation, it is available as diethyl carbamazine citrate tablet and syrup. Please find the notes which I have given in the description. Thank you.